Welcome back to CodeChef. What if you could tell your computer to say, "Hello" in just a few lines of code? Today, we'll demystify how you can write your very first Java program, the classic Hello World. Think of your first program like greeting a friend. Just like you say. Hello to start a conversation, programmers write a simple program to get the computer to respond. A friendly handshake between you and your machine. In this tutorial, you will learn how to write your first Java program, how the System.out.println function works, how to run your first Java program step by step. A Java program is a set of instructions the computer executes. The Hello World program is the simplest Java program that prints text to the screen. It consists of a class where the program code resides, a main method, the entry point where the program starts, a print statement that displays output to the console. Here's our simple Java program. The class is named Hello World. The main method runs automatically when we execute the program. Inside the main, we use System.out.println to display text. After compiling and running the program, the output will be Hello World. You can print your own message too. Just change the text inside the parentheses, like CodeChef is awesome. System.out.print prints the text and moves to a new line. If you want to print without a new line, use System.out.print. Now it's your turn. Solve this beginner-friendly problem on CodeChef Print. Your name. Write a program that prints your own name to the screen. Today, you learned how to write your first Java program. Defined a class and the main method used System.out.println to print text. Ran your first program to see the output code. Debug repeat. Build mastery with CodeChef.